The 1954 Autobleu 750 MM Coupé represents the most ambitious and technically refined creation of Autobleu, a small Paris-based manufacturer founded in 1950 by Maurice Mestivier and Roger Lepaitre. Initially focused on performance components, especially intake and exhaust manifolds, for cars like the Renault 4CV, the company later advanced into building complete custom-bodied vehicles. Autobleu's transition into motorsport was a deliberate strategy to promote its engineering capabilities. This effort culminated in the creation of the 750 Mille Miglia, the only factory-built racing prototype the company ever produced. Designed specifically for the legendary Italian endurance race Mille Miglia, the car featured a tubular chassis and a lightweight, aerodynamic aluminum body. The design was developed by aeronautical engineer Marcel Riffard and constructed by Carrosserie GTR. The vehicle was nicknamed Rainette, meaning tree frog in French. Mechanically, the prototype retained its roots in the Renault platform. It used a modified Billancourt engine derived from the 4CV, with displacement increased and tuning that delivered improved performance. The car reportedly achieved an average speed of 170 kilometers per hour, about 106 miles per hour, at the Montlhéry circuit, highlighting its advanced engineering for a small manufacturer. The racing history of the Autobleu 750 MM is marked by persistence rather than victory. Driven by Jean Bianchi and collaborators such as John Seagrand and Poirot, the car competed in the Mille Miglia in 1954 and 1955, but failed to finish both times, first due to an accident and later for unknown reasons. It was entered again in 1956, but did not start. That same year, it achieved 11th place in the 12 Hours of Reims. Its final known racing entry occurred in 1964 at the Coupe de Belgique, where it again did not start. After passing through several French and German collectors, the car was eventually acquired by a Dutch owner. Remarkably, it remained unrestored, yet operational for decades. A detailed restoration was later completed to 1955 specifications, preserving originality while rebuilding mechanical systems. Documented work totaled approximately 100,000 euros. In modern times, the Autobleu 750 MM continues to appear in historic events, including multiple editions of the Mille Miglia Storica between 2005 and 2023. As a unique prototype, it stands as both a rare engineering artifact and a lesser-known but significant participant in endurance racing history.